This life science company is a classic example of an overnight success more than 10 years in the making. Scientist.com was founded in 2007 as Assay Depot.
Scientist.com is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of scientific services. In some ways, you can think of it as an Amazon.com for medical research. So today, if you're a medical researcher, there are hundreds of services that you need in your quest to discover a new drug. What we do is we connect buyers and sellers of thousands of different research services that are required by the FDA, that are required to prove that your drug is safe, that it works in the appropriate way, that it's efficacious, that it cures the disease.
It is a B2B marketplace connecting biotechs to the appropriate contract research organizations and suppliers. In the complicated world of life sciences, this greatly reduces time required to vet partners in terms of legal and procurement, in addition to science.
So I believe we've been able to grow so significantly because we have a great team that all rally behind the mission of improving drug discovery. We've got a great product, and I also think there's something to be said that we're in the right place at the right time. The industry has been sort of moving in this direction for almost 15 years, but it's been only in the last 3 or 4 years that they've really embraced our product and the notion of using marketplaces in basic research.
Co-founder and CEO Kevin Lustig says the company struggled for many years to find the right business model before really taking off in 2015. They have developed customized web portals for 14 pharmaceutical companies, allowing their scientists to interact and do business with scientists and suppliers at other approved organizations.
So we've built the company by partnering with large pharmaceutical companies. And today we have 15 of the top 25 large pharmaceutical companies as partners. And so we're continuing to trying to get the remaining 10. But what's next is really companies that are slightly smaller, the so-called biotechnology companies that aren't the $100 billion, 100,000 person companies like Novartis or AstraZeneca or Pfizer. We've partnered with all of them. These are the $1 to $10 billion companies that have 200 or 300 people that, if you believe the news, are really starting to change how medical research is done.
A year ago, the company raised $24 million in a Class C offering and foresees rapid growth going forward.
San Diego is an outstanding place to do business. Right? It has incredible science infrastructure. There are hundreds of research suppliers, commercial research suppliers. There are hundreds of biotech companies, all of whom are potential partners for the Scientist.com platform.
Scientist.com's revenue grew from $6 million in 2015 to $50.27 million in 2017, a stellar 737% growth to earn the #2 spot on the 2018 fastest growing private companies list.